Hi and welcome to Learn English Advanced. You will learn English through movies and series.
The only thing that could tear down the house of the dragon. The only thing that could tear down the house of the dragon.
Tear down. If you tear something down, you destroy it or remove it completely. For example, they're going to tear down the old hospital and build a new one.
Every time that golden beast brings you back unspoiled, Sieves. Every time that golden beast brings you back unspoiled, Sieves.
Bring you back unspoiled means it doesn't hurt you. An unspoiled place is beautiful because it has not been changed or damaged by people. For example, an island with clean, unspoiled beaches.
I'd rather serve as a knight and ride to battle and glory. I'd rather serve as a knight and ride to battle and glory.
I'd rather serve as a knight and ride to battle and glory means I would prefer work as a warrior and go to battle and fight for glory. Glory is an important achievement that earns someone great admiration, honor, and praise.
We must learn to face it with a stiff lip. We must learn to face it with a stiff lip.
We must learn to face it with stiff lip. If you face a problem or a problem faces you, you have to deal with it. With a stiff lip is the ability to stay calm and not show your feeling in a difficult or upsetting situation.
Take a bath, you stink of dragon. Take a bath, you stink of dragon.
You stink of a dragon means to smell very unpleasant.
Now, you're a pack of hounds, sated and honed for the hunt. Now, you're a pack of hounds, sated and honed for the hunt.
You're a pack of hounds. You're sated and honored for hunt. Hound is a type of dog used for hunting. Means you are strong soldiers and ready for hunt.